Free lunch.
Video. One.
Oh, it's a video.
No, one, two, three.
Oh, it's a picture.
Fake smile.
Is it a video?
Yung anak ko, kasama sila. Oo, panggabi. Panggabi sila eh.
So, is that all via
Yung anak ko. Nag-aaral rin eh.
Sa PIDC. Huh? Sa PIDC. Yeah, you go to PIDC.com.
Last David, ito ang pangalan.
Ano? Just
Lahat ng anak kong babae nag-aral.
Oo.
Yung lalaki yun.
This is the Pinoy motorcycle riders were doing the fundraising
Late
for
night.
Bagyong Undoy, typhoon for Philippines.